Okay, so hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is January 8th, 2021, and this way. And today's video is my first airplane ride, you guys. And I'm nervous, but we're about to go have fun in Vegas. And I can't wait. So I guess I'll show y'all when I get on the plane because I'm a little nervous and I don't want to keep holding this phone because it's going to make my anxiety run. So I call y'all back when we get on the plane. Bye. Okay, we getting on the plane. Huh? Yeah, I want to wear that seat. Yeah, we on the plane. I'm real nervous. I'm not nervous. I'm just like jittery because I'm like, I never did this before. I don't know. But so far, it's not as bad as I thought. Like, I thought the seats was gonna be like bunched up. I thought we were gonna be like this. You know how the folks, like on Instagram when they be like, y'all taking all these trips and y'all be on the plane like this. That's what I thought. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I thought. But it's okay. It's enough leg room for me. These bitches must be fat when they be getting over here. They must be overweight. But yeah. I am so scared. I'm not scared. Just covered in the grace of God. And whatever it said, let's have a moment of prayer. Father God, in the name of Jesus, cover us in your blood as we ride on this airplane. My first airplane ride, God. I ask that you keep us covered in your blood. Keep us covered in your love, God. And protect us and watch over us, God. And keep us safe on our travels to and from. Amen. I hope my phone don't go dead, y'all, because they don't have no charger ports.
Exciting news to share with each and every one of you. The new Free Spirit Loyalty Program is launching on January 21st. It'll be the fastest way to earn rewards and status. And it'll also make it easier for everyone to enjoy rewards regardless of how frequently you travel. Please visit us at spirit.com/freespirit to learn more. And again, our boarding door has been closed. Please take a moment from your electronic device.
Don't fall in the water, Jamie. Let me back up. Okay, y'all, we made it. We in Vegas. Yes, Lord. Look at that sun. Oh, y'all. I ought to give y'all a tour. So this is the pool area. I'ma just give y'all wherever I go, I take y'all with me. Cause I ain't trying to do all that. This ain't MTV Cribs, pool. This is a nice little outside area. So now I'm in the bathroom, one of the bathrooms. Yeah. And the bathroom leads you right outside. Ain't that cute? I'm in the bedroom. Come from out the bedroom. Have the living room. That is gorgeous. I did not notice all those steps. I'll take y'all upstairs. Just give me a minute. Got a pool area, the pool table area, dining area for the kitchen. Come this way, you have washer and dryer, another bathroom. What is this? Oh shit, a garage. They got a garage. You lock that back so nobody come kidnap us. They got chairs and sitting areas everywhere. Right here, over there. I like this. House rules, check-in 4 p.m., check-out 11. We do not allow music after 10. Quiet hours, 10 p.m. to 7 a.m., Monday through Friday. If you smoke, please do it outside. Girl, they done smoke all up and through this goddamn house already. You got a mirror with the bar area, y'all. Please believe we getting drunk. Drunker than the skunk. Now let's go upstairs, because I want to see. Oh, this cute. This cute when you come up the steps. Bathroom. Another bathroom, y'all. I don't know.
It look like kid shit.
You know, it might be Monte niece and nephew. In another room. Okay. Yeah, that mirror is cute. And that's the house, y'all. So, I guess we finna try to find us some goodies. Mary Jane, I love just the same. I love you, baby, 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 baby. This the kitchen I was telling y'all about. What? Oh, yeah. Another dining area. They got mirrors everywhere. You can fuck all over this house. Okay, so we finna figure out what we finna do. I'll call y'all back. Bye.